What's going on? I hope you guys are okay. Welcome to Tech with Elus. Today I got a little video for you guys because I encountered a problem and through Reddit I found a fix. So let me explain. So I went from iPhone to Android again. So I did the whole transfer thing, everything transferred over, but there was a problem. All my WhatsApp media, like in the chats, all the media that got sent to me, all the media that I sent was in my gallery. So it showed like 10,000, more than 10,000 pictures, videos, you name it. Not really what you want, you know. And a lot of fixes that I found online did get rid of all the pictures and videos in your gallery, but that's the problem. I didn't want that. I wanted the pictures and the videos gone from my gallery, from my phone's gallery, but I didn't want them gone from the WhatsApp chats because I like to read some chats back or just like see pictures or things that people send. So I went to look on Google. I found this fix. So I'm gonna share with you guys in hope that it will help you guys too. So I know that on WhatsApp you do have a setting. So on WhatsApp we go to chats in the settings, and over here you see media visibility. Now, I think by default it's on. Don't quote me on that, but I think it was on for me. So I turned it off. But even when I turned it off, it still showed everything because the option is show newly downloaded media. So it will do probably for the future, but not for the media that you already have. So that's why it still showed all the pictures and videos in the gallery. So what you do then is you exit WhatsApp and you open your file manager app. So it can be any file manager, but make sure it can see hidden files. I'm just using the standard file explorer or file manager from that was built in to the phone, that was pre-installed. Yeah, it opens. Just go to your storage. Make sure that you enable the option in your settings to see hidden files or show hidden files. As you can see, I turn it on. A lot of file managers can do it. Just find the option somewhere in the settings or something. I don't know. After you've done that, you go look for the folder. I mean, it should be up here because I mean, you see WhatsApp here on the bottom, but that's not the folder we want. We go to the Android folder. Now, so we just go to Android, and then here we have data, media, and the OBB folder. Up. So then just look for the com.whatsapp folder. As you can see, we got it right here. And then you open the WhatsApp folder. Then you see a lot of folders, but we want to fix the media because our issue is with the media of WhatsApp. So we go to media, see a lot of folders, WhatsApp images, documents, audio, video, you name it. You can find everything back here. So basically what I've done is do this fix in the images folder, the video folder, and I think for the audio folder as well, but let me check. No, I didn't do it for audio. So I only did it for the images and videos because those were the ones that showed up in my gallery. I don't really see the other things, so you can probably do the fix on the other items as well, but I didn't. So just do it on the video and images. But I'll only show you the images right now because I've already did this fix. So yeah. So if you don't want to see the WhatsApp pictures in your gallery, you open the images folder. If you don't want to see the videos, then you open the WhatsApp video folder. And if you don't want both, you pick both. But first, yeah, we just do the images first. So you click on it. I mean, and as you can see here, it has, for me, more than 8,000 items. So yeah, we don't want that to show in my gallery, please. Okay, so basically, you have all your files here, all your saved media from WhatsApp, everything that I sent, everything that people send me. So basically, you see on the top for me, I don't know if it's on the top for you, but probably the folder private. So you open the folder, and over here, we see a file .no media. That's the file we want. So basically what you do is you hold and then you copy. I saw the tutorial that I followed it moved the file, but I rather copy because then you have a copy saved and it doesn't really matter. So even if that file accidentally gets deleted, you know, you still have the backup or the original one in that folder. So yeah, I'll just keep it there. I suggest you do it too. So now on my file manager app, it immediately says copy to, and then you can head to the folder and paste it basically. For other file managers, it might be different, but yeah, just go to the same folder. So once again, from Android, media, com.whatsapp, WhatsApp, and then media again. And now we go to the images folder again because we were in the images folder. So here you see that private folder that we were in, where we copied the file, the .no media file. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy and paste it in here, in this folder. So one before you open a private, the WhatsApp images folder. So we're just gonna copy it. And right now, yeah, it should be on the top. So as you can see, you see the files and then you see the .no media. So that's basically it. And then you can do the same thing for the videos. As you can see, I already did it for the videos. But same thing, you have the private folder there. So the file should be in there. So after that, you can just close everything. And then you just restart your phone or reboot your phone. And then when you open the gallery, you may be still able to see all the videos and pictures of WhatsApp. Just let it load a little bit. I don't know if the gallery has to be opened or you can just leave it closed, but it will eventually just like hide all the videos and the pictures. So when I open the gallery, I don't see any WhatsApp videos, WhatsApp pictures, photos, whatever. I don't see any of it. So yeah, that's basically the fix. And if I go to WhatsApp, all the files will still be there. Like they never left. Even if you're on a new phone. So I went from iPhone to WhatsApp. So even all the media I had on my iPhone that people send me and that I've sent are all still here with all the chats. But yeah, that's a whole different thing. This is just about not seeing the media in the gallery of your phone, but still see the media on WhatsApp. So yeah, let me know if this worked for you. If it didn't, please let me know in the comments why. Leave a like and subscribe, please. I'm just starting this channel. Might do some more uploads, some tech videos, some other stuff. Also might do a review on this phone because I switched from iPhone to this phone, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and I'm really happy with it. I think it's one of the best decisions I made in a while. But yeah, let me know. Hope this guide worked for you guys. Thanks for watching.